as an example, kwamba in a country of 6 million people, because their country is 6 million, 85% of the housing in Singapore, 85% of their population is housed in shelter that has been built by the government through revenue collections and various ways to raise the money to house the citizens of that country. How are we going to house the Kenyan citizens? And the president has talked about the need to give everybody shelter, decent shelter. The Constitution demands that you give decent shelter. But the Constitution does not exactly tell you how to provide the decent shelter. We then have to be innovative and then provide ways, and we raise resources from the Kenyan people. But when you provide decent shelter, what does it mean? It means more jobs, as he says. But also, when you look at Embu here, to provide decent shelter, the moment you start putting up 400, 500 units, 600 units, 1,000 units, where does the human waste go? Isn't it? It has to be dealt with. So, when you talk about decent housing and what it takes, it also means that the government, as it is investing in housing, must also invest in proper sewer systems to broaden and improve the areas that people are going to live in. If you want to remove Kibra from its status so that it graduates from a slum, a difficult place to live in, you will not change Kibra until we also introduce very good sewer in that system. Are we going to do it for free? So let us tell Kenyans the truth, that we